What the heck is that all about? That pissed me off. I don't know. There's something behind that wall that, I mean, it was a stud. Said it was a stud. Where are your glasses? Your other glasses? Glass? What are you going to do? What are you going to do when you get that there big fly at you and it pokes your eyeball out? I mean, it happens. It doesn't just happen on the Christmas Story, guys. It really fucking happens. Dude, I don't know what that thing is in. That screw. That jack screw. Probably shouldn't have used that one. I have some other screws that I was supposed to, and I got lazy. I was telling myself, what could be the harm? A screw's a screw, isn't it? Well, technically, depends how you look at it and how long it's been. But anyway, always look to see what the proper screw is for the job that you're doing. You know, I know it's been a long day, it's been a long week, it's just been a long 3 months. Make sure you get the right screws, because look what is happening. I don't know what it went into, that screw's not coming out. So I might have to turn the camera off because it's going to get ugly. But then again, who cares? Alright. Holy shit, that was easier. I guess I'm stronger now since I lost weight. Holy cow.